close your eyes. Simon says, open your eyes. Simon says, stick out your tongue. Simon says, close your mouth. Simon says, touch your ears. Simon says, rub your tummy. Simon says, touch your head. Simon says, raise your right hand.
At the back nga eh. At the back. Ito, oh, likod.
At the back. Simon says, form a circle.
Form a circle daw. Dali, dali, dali. Circle daw, circle. Oy!
Simon says, say thank you to your classmate. Simon says, hug yourself.
Hug yourself.
Simon says, hug your classmate.
Hug your classmate. Yes. Oh! Careful.
Simon says, form a circle. Simon says, sit down.